Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 4. Today our lesson is chapter 8, Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2007. This is the PowerPoint. Just introduction first to the PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? And PowerPoint is a software for making a presentation, and a presentation is the systematic display of information on a particular topic. The most common and user-friendly software used for creating presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. In Microsoft PowerPoint, presentation is created in the form of series of slides in which text and images and sounds can be added. Slides are individual pages of presentation that can be displayed one by one on the screen. Well, this is the PowerPoint here, looks like this. When I open it, I'll just introduce for you some of the menus here and the functions in Microsoft PowerPoint. As we know, my dear students, in every software, even in Microsoft Word, we call this one the color button here at the left corner. This is called an office button. By clicking this button, you get a drop down menu. It has a new and open and save as, an appearance and send and publish and close. Okay, in the beginning here, also at the very beginning of the top bar, we have this called quick access toolbar. Okay, appears next to the office button. It contains buttons that mostly commonly used, okay, like save and do and undo. I mean redo and undo. Okay, and we have here a title bar. Up in the top where it's written grade 4 Microsoft PowerPoint. Grade 4 Microsoft PowerPoint. And we have also in the title bar, we have minimize button and restore button and close button. Also we have down something called status bar. Here is our status bar at the bottom end of the document. Status bar appear at the bottom of the PowerPoint windows. It displays information such as the serial number of the current slide and the total number of the slides in the presentation. Like here, the word slide. Now I don't have any slide here, so it doesn't show any number at the slide corner. Okay, and we have at the left side here something called slide pane. Okay, where I can see all my slides and add new slides. Okay, well, let's start inserting a new slides. Okay, I will just click here to add my first slide. Okay, click in the middle of the screen. Okay, and my first slides appears. Okay, now this is if I want to add here, as you see in the slide pane here. Okay, slide appears on the left side and the slide pane. If I want to create another one, I just have to right click with the mouse button and create a new slide. Like this, I have two slides here. Okay, and at the status bar down, it shows me that I have two slides of two. Okay, this is my first slide here. Okay, and I will start designing it. Design my first slide. I will go to design tab. I will go to a design tab. Those are all called tabs: home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, view. All is called tabs. Okay, I will go at my first at my design tab, and I have here a lot of themes. By selecting your theme, your slide will turn into that theme design. You can click here at the end at more to see more themes palettes. This is already made palettes, themes for your slide. Okay, you can choose your slide design from this ready-made themes. Now as you see, I just clicked here and I applied my theme. Okay, now I want to insert, for example, okay, let's see, this is the title here. Okay, and I will add in the title like grade for first presentation. And I will click on the outside boundary of the box here so I can drag my text anywhere in the page. Here, if I click on the outside boundary of the text, I can go to home tab and I can change the color, same like what we used in Office. I can change the color, I can change the size, I can make it bold, and I can make it centered align. Okay, so here I can also add some of the text like welcome to my dear students. Okay, and the same thing, you can click in outside boundary of the text and can make it center aligned. You can change the font of your text. You can change the font style of your text. Sorry, the system a little bit slow. We'll wait a little bit. Okay, now I can change the style of my text. And if I want to insert a clip art or a picture, I go to insert tab, and here I will find an illustration group, something called illustration group. I have a picture, I have possibility of inserting picture, clip art, or a photo from a photo album from external or from your mobile, or some photo on your laptop, or some photo from the web. Also I can add shapes and smart art and chart. We'll see how to add all of this. First we'll start with the clip art picture. If I click on a clip art, the clip art pictures should appear to me and on the right side, and then I will just open this one and select, put all check marks here on all the photos and click on go. All the clip art pictures comes here. Then I will click on the picture that I want to add to my slide, and in this picture I can drag it anywhere I want, and I can resize it by dragging the edge of it. Okay, and here I have created my first slide, and it looks mashallah beautiful. Now we will we will stop by here and save our presentation. We will save our presentation. I'll teach you how to save the presentation. Just click on the Office button and click on Save As. Click on Save As. And then Save As dialog box appears here, as you can see. Then I have to type the name of my presentation, okay, and select the place where you want to save it. For example, my first presentation. You can name it as you want, my dear students. You can type your name on it as a name for your presentation. And here on the left side, on the organize, you can choose where the place you want to add your, or you want to save your presentation. You want to save it in the document, click on the document. Or if you want to save it on the desktop, just simply click on the desktop and then select save. Then my presentation will be saved. Thank you very much, my dear students, and that was the lesson.